Did you know that you can just be whatever type of person that you want to be? I don't know why, but I used to think of things like, I wish I was the type of person that drank like tea. I wish I was the type of person that had a hammock in my house. Like, there aren't types of people, they're just people that do things. And you can just do whatever you want to do. You also don't need to like know how to do things before you do them. Like, I didn't know anything about tea, so I just started like buying tea. I went to a tea shop and had someone explain to me like the different types of tea and how you make tea. Now I'm a person who drinks tea. And then I wanted to be a whimsical person, so I just started doing whimsical things. You don't need a qualification to just do things that you want to do.
Nung pahinga to. Hi guys. Oh my god. Punta tayo. Saan? Rick, ang boring. X. So, guys. Hello, look at that.
Instantly turned into building blocks. A few minutes
For my cousin, all of it. But ito na tulog ko to.
Being a carpenter.
Hi guys, so yun. Hawak ko po yung phone ni Nicole.
Ano gusto niyo? Ganyan ba kayong mamamatay?
Hi guys!
Kinerve nila lahat yun. Imagine, makakatamad. Hindi pa talaga ako.
Higa dapat ako, puti pala yun. Tara, habol-habol. Eat tayo. Tumutunog. Bagal ni Nicole. Bay, wala pa, nakikiliti na agad. Ay! Napagod siya sa sa ko.
Ako pa talaga na kaya ko na. Uy! Guys! Okay, balik na.
Going up.
Wait lang. Yan po, may butanding po. Three, two, one, go.
Hi guys, so today, may seminar kami.
Ay, gagi.
Can you say burbuha? Kung kita bisik
Guys.
Alis na ako.
Oh, bye.
Yeah.
Meme machine. Meme machine.
araw tayo nagkikita, no? Sige na, buksan mo na rin. Product promotion. Wala ka na talaga sa ano, be, frame. Yan. Yan. Arm.
Ano mo, gera eh. Matanggi lang ano yan, LPG. Happy birthday to...
Ito na nga.
Ang bango.